Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some perler beads and four beads. You can use these if you have them. If not, you could use star beads or whatever you have on hand. You're also going to need a piece of string, scissors, a lighter, and a needle. And we're going to start with adding one pink and just let that go to the middle. We're going to add one orange, and you're going to take your string and go across. Hold these ends and then pull that down. We're going to add a yellow and put the string through. You're going to add a green. Take your string and go across. Now that we have it started, you can pull the ends. We're going to add a blue. Put your other end through. Pull this. We're going to add purple. Now you can tighten this by pulling these down. Going to add a pink. Orange. Yellow. Green. We're going to add blue. Purple. You might want to pull these down. You don't want it super tight, but you don't want it to be loose. Okay, now you're going to make this the size of your finger. So you're going to want to measure it. I'm going to add one more bead, and then I think mine will be big enough. I think I wear a size 8 ring, so I'm going to add white. And then we're going to take our string and go through the pink. We're going to tie this. That's what it looks like. Now, I'm going to take this string and go. You might have to pull this really tight to make room to get your string through there. Now, what I did was pulled this so the knot went into the bead. Now we're going to add pink, purple, blue, and green. And you're going to take the string and go back through the white. Grab the blue and then pull it. We're going to add white. yellow, orange, and pink. We're going to take the string and go through the white, grab the orange and pull. We're going to add white, purple, blue, and green. We're going to go down this white, grab the blue, and then pull. Okay. Trying to decide if I have enough string. I think I do. Okay, so we're going to add white, yellow, orange, and pink. And we're going to go down this white, grab the orange and pull. Okay. Now we need to tie these two together. You will cut the small end off. Now let's put our needle on. Now these might be flipped around, so you want to make sure that you have every other color. What we're going to do is go up this white, green, and through the blue. Now, I'm pretty sure these don't fit through the needle. Okay, yeah. So I'm just going to get rid of that. We'll add one of these. We're going to go through the orange. We're going to add another one of these. Go through the blue. We're going to add another one. Go through this orange. This is what it looks like so far. I'm going to add another one. And we're going to go through this blue. Okay. Now what you want to do is pull this really tight. And tie this. If you can get your string through there. It's really tight. Sometimes, if I can't get through, I'll put my needle on. There we go. Now you can cut this. And then you might need to make it round, but there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.